Do you want to put a file on your reciprocal saw? So I'm going to show you how you can do this. So this is a new tool that I bought recently, and I like it. So I have to try it in the field, but later I'll do that. So as you can see here, we have the regular reciprocal. So it doesn't matter. It could be Milwaukee, it could be DeWalt, any brand that you want. So basically, you're going to have this adapter that you see here, and with this adapter, you can use it in anything, any reciprocal saw. As you can see here, all you have to do is push this down, pull the tool that you want. Let's say that if you want to put this screwdriver, you could. I mean, it's not going to do anything because it's going to go, back and forth, and that's it. But basically, it's the same support that you see here. So basically, kind of like that. I mean, I could even put this here. It will not do any good, but okay. Basically, it's the same. Is 1/4 of an inch. All you need is this type of adapter that says Reciprotools, as you can see here. And so I'm going to tell you when I'm going to be using this. I think this is useful. The only downside of this is that I had to remove the shoe that you see here. Otherwise, here it will not fit through here. So that is the only downside. Otherwise, you can remove it, use it, and then put it back, and that's it. So sometimes I have the issue. For instance, I went to a customer. They had the hole in the marble, and they had the sink, but the hole of the sink to install the faucet wasn't matching up with the marble. So, and I tried to use something like that, but I mean, it barely fit in that little hole. So I was thinking, well, what if I have, something different, something like this, something like a file? Maybe I can, make the hole bigger, and that should solve the issue faster. Because if you have, for instance, if you have something else, let's say you have a angle grinder, or maybe you have a multi-tool or anything like that, and the multi-tool is not going to fit in the little hole. This barely will fit. I was able to make a fit, but I was able to cut maybe a little of the metal, and that's it. So I couldn't remove the whole stainless steel. So I was thinking, well, maybe if I have something like that, I can hook it up to this, and then I will be able to file it all the way, and it will look perfect. So it's not something that you're going to be using all the time, but always, it's a new gadget that is useful and that you can use anytime. As you can see, it works fine. It's not going to be loose at any moment. Maybe if you have any other idea, where you can use this type of tool, let me know in the section below. And I'm going to show you something else that came with this kit. It came with this adapter. I'm going to show you. As usual, I am in US, so if you need any tool, electronics, or anything like that, just let me know. I can ship it to you. So as you can see here, it came with this adapter here with the screw, because this adapter, as you can see here, it comes with this piece of metal that I think it may break over time. You never know. I mean, I think if you abuse it, this metal thing will break. So you can remove the screw, put the new piece of metal, new screw in, and you should be set. I mean, you should not have any issue. At least the only downside, you may lose it. Don't keep it in a safe place. But other than that, it seems like a nice adapter, this, and it may do the job. So if you have any other suggestion how you could use this type of tool, please let me know in the section below. And if you want to watch more videos about tools or anything else, go to the playlist, and there you have everything. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.